Let's talk about two common verbs that often confuse students: proceed and precede. So, if you want to learn English vocabulary, stay tuned. Okay, proceed versus precede. Let's get started. It is common for English learners and even native English speakers to mix up or confuse words that look or sound similar. What is the difference between the words proceed and precede? Well, don't say, "Attention, class, please put away your books so we can proceed with the test." Say instead, "Attention, class, please put away your books so we can proceed with the test." Why? Well, the verb proceed means begin, start, get going, or move forward with something, an activity or an action. Okay? Therefore, proceed with the test means begin the test. Don't say, "President Trump preceded President Biden as President of the United States." Say instead, "President Trump preceded President Biden as the President of the United States." Why? Well, the verb precede means to come before something in time, or to come before something in order or position, like a sequence. First, second, third, right? First comes before second. So, first precedes second. Understand? Precede also means to go in front of or go ahead of, not in time, but in space. To go in front of or to go ahead of something in space. Historically speaking, Trump was president before Biden. In time. Therefore, precede is the word we want to use. President Trump preceded President Biden. This means President Trump came before President Biden in time. Let's look at some other examples. Don't say, "Make sure you read the introduction which precedes chapter 1. Say instead, "Make sure you read the introduction which precedes chapter 1. Think about a book, right? Introduction, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, and so on. So here, precedes means come before something in order, position, sequence. Number 1 precedes number 2, right? Don't say, "He opened the door of the restaurant and allowed his wife to precede him." Say instead, he opened the door of the restaurant and allowed his wife to precede him. So here we are not talking about time. We're talking about space. This means go ahead of something in space. So he opened the door, his wife went first, and then he followed after his wife. His wife preceded him. Understand? Don't say, the commander advised his troops to proceed with the mission. Say instead, the commander advised his troops to proceed with the mission. Here, proceed means begin, start, get going, move forward, right? Begin the mission, start the mission, get going with the mission, move forward with the mission. Okay, guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned the differences between precede and proceed. They are commonly confused by students all the time. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments section below. My name is Liam. This is Grammar Simple, the channel that makes English vocabulary simple. I will see you in a future video. Bye for now.